Now you have to understand what is the molecular basis of sickle cell anemia. Why the sixth amino acid in the beta chain is substituted and it causes sickle cell anemia. What is the reason? What is the cause of sickle cell anemia at the molecular level? A gene or DNA sequence, that means a group of nucleotides. DNA is double stranded, it is a double helix. This is a segment of DNA. It is a specific sequence of DNA or a gene. What is the function of gene? Each DNA sequence or gene codes for a specific messenger RNA. DNA codes for messenger RNA. Now messenger RNA is single stranded. It consists of nucleotides, ribonucleotides. In messenger RNA, every three adjacent nucleotides constitute a codon. A codon means a group of three adjacent nucleotides in messenger RNA. So each gene or DNA sequence codes for a specific codon. A specific codon means three adjacent nucleotides. The three adjacent nucleotides together constitute a codon. So each codon is specified by a specific gene or DNA sequence. Now what is the function of codon? Each codon codes for an amino acid, a specific amino acid. We have 20 amino acids in living organisms. Each amino acid is coded by a specific codon. So gene codes for messenger RNA or codon. Each codon codes for an amino acid. So each amino acid in the living organisms is coded by a specific codon, a group of three nucleotides, and the codon is coded by a specific gene. That means each amino acid is synthesized by a specific gene. Gene codes for codon codes for an amino acid. And all amino acids are linked together in a specific order to form a polypeptide chain. Now, if there is a change in the sequence of DNA, there will be a corresponding change in the codon. If there is a change in the DNA or gene, there will be corresponding change in the codon. The codon will be changed. As a result, the type of amino acid is also changed. So if there is any change in the gene or DNA, it will change the amino acid. If there is any change in the sequence of DNA, it will change the codon, and the change in codon will be reflected in the type of amino acid that is synthesized. Now this is the case that happens in the sickle cell anemia. In sickle cell anemia, what happens? This is the gene CTCGAG, the normal gene, which is responsible for the synthesis of normal beta chain of hemoglobin. It is a sequence of nucleotides: cytosine, thymine, cytosine. Cytosine pairs with guanine, thymine pairs with adenine, cytosine pairs with guanine. This is a gene, a sequence of DNA, part of DNA. Because DNA is double stranded, so there are two strands. This is one sequence, CTC. CTC is complementary sequence, GAG. DNA is double stranded. So it is a segment of DNA, a part of DNA or specific gene. This is called HBA gene, the normal HBA gene. HBA gene. Now, from the specific gene, this is the specific gene or DNA, it codes for a specific codon ZAZ. This is the gene. From this gene, what is formed? The codon ZAZ. And the codon ZAZ codes what? The amino acid glutamate at the 6th position of the normal beta chain of hemoglobin. This is the normal beta chain of the normal hemoglobin. The 6th amino acid glutamate is coded by what codon? ZAZ. ZAZ is coded by what? This is the gene or this is the DNA. This is called HBA gene. This gene codes for this codon ZAZ. This codon codes for a specific amino acid glutamate at the 6th position of the normal beta chain of normal hemoglobin. Now, how the change occurs? The HBA or the normal gene was CTC-ZAZ. It had changed. It has become CAC-ZTZ. So only one nitrogen base is changed, the thymine. Only one nitrogen base has been changed in the gene or in the DNA, that is thymine. Thymine is changed by adenine. Thymine has been changed by adenine, CAC. As a result, cytosine guanine, adenine, thymine, cytosine guanine. The whole sequence has been changed. Because of change in a single nitrogen base, the whole gene, the whole DNA sequence has been changed. As a result, from this gene, a different codon will be formed. The ZAZ codon will be substituted by ZUZ codon. Due to the change in a single nitrogen base in the gene or DNA, CTC changes to CAC. The HBA gene, the normal gene, HBA gene has become HBS gene. Because of the change in the gene or DNA, the codon is also changed. Now it codes for ZUZ, not GAZ. So ZAZ codon is substituted by ZUZ codon. As a result, ZUZ is a different codon, so it codes for another amino acid, valine, at the 6th amino acid, at the 6th position of the beta chain. And this beta chain of defective hemoglobin is called HBS peptide. This is the normal beta globin chain where 6th amino acid is glutamate. This is the beta chain of defective hemoglobin and the 6th amino acid is valine. Glutamate is substituted by valine because ZAZ codon is substituted by ZUZ codon. And this substitution has occurred because of a change in the gene. What change? A change, a substitution of a single nitrogen base thymine by adenine. This kind of change is called point mutation. Change of or substitution of a single nitrogen base in the DNA is called point mutation. The thymine is substituted by adenine. As a result of this, the whole hemoglobin molecule has become defective. A single amino acid has been changed because of the point mutation that occurs in the gene, the sixth amino acid. Only one amino acid has been changed, and that is why the disorder develops, sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia is because of point mutation. And what is the cause of sickle cell anemia? Substitution of ZAZ codon by ZUZ codon, and that occurs because of point mutation, because of substitution of a single nitrogen base, substitution of a single nitrogen base in the DNA, that is point mutation, that results in substitution of ZAZ codon by ZUZ codon, and that results in substitution of glutamate by valine at the sixth position of the beta chain of hemoglobin. This is the molecular basis of sickle cell anemia.